How to create a Google Drive for shared collaboration. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to create a Google Drive for the team collaboration, you can create a folder from the shared drive and add different files or the accounts into it and organize the files. In order to do so, first of all, tap open your Google Drive and tap on the plus icon which is on the top left corner to create a new folder. While you create a new folder, you can organize different files and all the videos into the same folder with the shared accounts as well. So once you have renamed or named your folder, tap on the create option and then open the folder. Once you open the folder, tap on its name which is on the top, and once you tap on it, click on the share option. Once you click on share option, tap on share button. After that, you need to add people, groups, and calendar events. You can add all the people that you are in your team collaborations in order to contribute to this folder. Make sure to give correct access such as viewer, editor, or commenter, and then tap on create. And this way, you can organize your folder with the team collaboration and share the access as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.